Amazon Brand Story is a way for brands to tell their story and connect with customers on a deeper level. I guess you all know about Brand Story. You can see in my screen, this section comes right above the product description. It's a place where brands can share their values, mission, and history. And if you look at the number of benefits a brand story can provide, you will be amazed. By using this feature effectively, you can create a stronger brand presence, increase customer engagement, and boost sales. But do you think that's all a brand story can do? No, my friend. It can be a game changer when it comes to sales seasons. But you need to know how to utilize it properly. And today I'm going to share my experience how brand story played a big role in my Amazon business. This is Istiuk from Ecomclips. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you know, we have had some big sales seasons recently like Halloween, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. So what I did during these seasons, I customized my brand story based on the sales event. Like during Halloween, I used a Halloween customized theme. If I show you, you see this is what I used. It's kinda giving a Halloween feel. This is just the view link I am showing. I already changed it right after the Halloween. I'm also going to show you how it helped me overall in a minute. So like this, we also applied the same strategy during the Black Friday. So we updated the brand story to this during the Black Friday season. We basically continued this till the Cyber Monday as both are one after another. Now let me show you how much sales I got during this event. So you see, this is from November 6th to 16th. Which is 11 days before Black Friday. We sold only 75 units. Now look at the sales from November 17th to 27th, which includes Black Friday and Cyber Monday. That's an impressive sales uplift, almost tripled. Basically, during Black Friday, we saw good sales uplift for some of our products, but this time it's a huge jump. And we found that we are getting better sales for our slow moving items. To put it simply, when a customer sees such event based banner, they think, oh, this brand is having a sale during this event, and they start checking out other items. This helps to increase the conversion rate. And you could say it's a form of psychological marketing. With this strategy, we also tried to update a few trending keywords based on the event. For example, we emphasized the keyword Halloween gift during Halloween. Also, we tried to give some amount of sales to some of our products. And you can also do the same. Well, are you feeling like you missed out on this opportunity? Don't worry. The biggest sales event, Christmas, is on its way. And we are going to update the brand story based on a Christmas theme. And we'll update a few other things. You can also take this opportunity. Here's what you can do. Create hero banners based on popular events and then swap them out during different events. That way, you can stay ahead of your competitors. By the way, if you want to create exclusive and top-notch brand stories, A+ content, or images, we can help you. With us, you will have the best quality within the lowest price possible, a very rare combination. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want any help, we can always help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts. You can get a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we can use these strategies to level up your business. So check out all those resources or give us a call today. We'd love to help and work for you as well. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next one.